turn. This is our tutorial. This is our makeup tutorial. Anyway, my name's Tiffany, and this is Brittany. And we're doing a makeup tutorial for you guys, you subscribers out there. Shout outs to my 2 subscribers that I only have, which is my sister and I think me. I don't know. Okay, so today we'll be doing makeup, and this is for any day look makeup, especially when you're like walking on the streets and you want to look hot, you know, taking the cash, you know. So our friend Telly could not be here today, so sorry, but okay, here goes nothing for that day look at the spa. I don't know.
I thought this was a corner look.
The corner, well, it depends what kind of person you are. I'm not really sure. So today I will be using, nope, that's mascara. I don't know. Okay, I don't know. Tiffany. I mean, Brittany. Brittany, I don't know what to do. I'm embarrassed. Alright, help me.
Tiffany?
Help me out here. What do you start with? I'm sorry, guys.
We all know that you have ugly faces, so to cover up, you gotta start out with this.
Okay, this is foundation from Professional Paris, which is Lancome, I believe. And just kidding. It's, I don't know. Oh, it's from MAC. Okay. So, no, it's not. I don't know where it's from. I don't even know. Anyway.
Pull yourself together, Tiffany.
I'm sorry. Okay. Deep breath. Okay, it's from somewhere. Please. Okay. So, you squirt like a little dime size. And
Size.
now this is water based, so you can put as much on as you want. It feels so good. It's
Now
like,
she looks a little less ugly.
it's like a little less. It's like moisturizes your skin, and I mean like I could put as much as I want on because the water it just smooths on.
Here.
No
take,
cake.
Take a little bit more. Like
No.
like see. Let me see.
No.
All this. All of it.
No cake face. No cake face. Oh, it just blends your skin together to make you have an even skin tone. Next, you always want to begin with, after foundation, is the blush.
Blush. Right.
Which is Coralista from Benefit, and
We use a
mostly
brush?
made for black people to give them skin color. That's why it's cheetah print on there. Okay, so my accent just totally changed. Okay, so you want to put like a little blush on there, just like, you know, get that Asian look, that Asian doll look. Oh, do those high cheekbones and your nostrils and, you know, your eyeballs. You want to get in the pupils. That looks good. To highlight your skin and, you know, whatnot. Anyway. It's not working. Okay.
next.
Eyeliner.
Yeah,
Tiffany. I mean, Brittany. Your name's Brittany. Okay, this is for your eyeshadows, so we'll save that for last. That's lipstick. Now you need, oh, I forgot this. Whatever. Pore removers. Okay, so you wanna Tiffany.
You want to
Tiffany. Calm down, Tiffany. You're acting a little ridiculous. Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
photo.
This. It's okay, it's okay. Now, okay, well, we're gonna use this. Alright. Now, what this is after you put on your blush, you highlight those beautiful cheekbones. Oh god, which way? That way. You get the nice warrior look. Yes. And you put it on your nose so your nose looks nice and shiny, and maybe your chin and your mustache to highlight those beautiful pores and make 2 eyebrows, you know. You can have 4 eyebrows now. Now you rub them in, and then, I mean, of course you can't see this through the camera because it sucks, and my face is just not meant for this. And it just highlights everything. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Do I look like cake face or what?
Yes,
Okay. So you do that. I feel so disgusting right now. Okay. I feel like I have 10 pounds on my face. It feels great. So, we already did blush. You highlighted. You smoothed it out. Now we want to start the eyes. The eyes. Okay. This is taking pretty a long time, so
Yeah, we're already up to like 7 minutes.
we're gonna cut to the chase, if that's a saying. I don't know. This is a highlighter, and you put it on your eyes like that. This is so hard. This is so stressful. I hate this. Why are you making me do this? Okay. You put nice shadows that you can't even see. You can't even see it.
Tiffany.
You're Tiffany. No, you're Brittany. I am
Brittany.
Tiffany. I am Tiffany. I don't know what. We're gonna have to go back to the beginning of the video to see whose name is who. You're Brittany.
No, I think your name's Lisa.
Alright. It is. Okay.
Okay, let's not lie. Your name's
Anyway.
Lisa.
Oh, you start with eyeshadow first, which today, we're gonna be using Richard. We're gonna be using brown. And what we're gonna do is put it in the crease so that your eyes could look like they are sunken in. And so it looks like
you just got slapped across the face.
So it looks like you just got punched by your daddy, if you know what I mean. Ya hoe. Prostitute look. Okay. So that makes my eyes look so much deeper. So now it looks like, you know, I'm 9 years old and stuff, and then you do oh no, it's the wrong way. Oh no. Oh no, what am I doing? Okay, anyway, how do you do this? I can't look, I can't see what I'm doing. Alright, so now it looks like I'm a skeleton. And now, you know that video we watched? It's the, you highlight those shadows in your face, so it can make you look like you have a big nose. See, now it looks like I have a really, like, nice tone nose.
You look so much better right now, like I can't even take it.
Look, you just highlight all the shadows and make it look like you just got out of the gym working out on the roads. So now the other side, you flip to a nice light color and you do that and smooth it in, and then you do that and smooth it. It doesn't look any different. So now that we're done with that, we're going to use a little eyeliner. Yeah, so here goes nothing. Liquid eyeliner. You want to do that? And the other side.
Your nose looks fabulous.
I know. On the other side, you just smooth right above the lash line. There you go. How's that look?
You're like perfect. I can't.
I know. Okay, so now, if you really want to complete this look, you need some color on your lips, but it's a neutral color because everything else is just so.
Out there.
Everything else is actually, this is a pretty plain look, so you want to like match it with a plain color. So here's neutral. It does like nothing. It just makes your lips look like white people lips. So there it is. Time to go out, Tiffany. Go on, Tiffany. Let's go out. Let's get dressed and yeah. So I hope you guys like this look. Nobody's going to watch this. So I guess bye YouTube forever. Bye.